Welcome to Diskitare, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Sizobe sikhuluma ngo Takunda Tausa, 20-year-old Zimbabwean sensation. That is apparently he's training with Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, guys, I will show you his video clip. At the end of the video, we'll talk about him. So don't go anywhere. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. We'll be talking about Takunda Tausa. Do Kaizer Chiefs really need another attacking midfielder? Is he any better than Abumdu or what Kaizer Chiefs currently have in that position? So yeah, he's a youngster. He's 20 years old. We'll talk about him later during the show. So don't go anywhere. Right, guys. Niyabona laphayana Kaizer Chiefs. It's very, very. I wouldn't say it's a crisis, but it's a very, very uncertain times. The coaches have refused to resign, and yeah, that is not a good situation to management find themselves in. I think this situation, situation, so they have to get themselves out. They simply have to sack the coaches. You heard the fans, but if nothing is done, the fans will take action after the Durban City game. So we don't want a situation or whereby kuba nodlame, and we don't want those kind of scenes. You remember ukompela ukuthi uhamba kanjani ku-Chiefs. We don't want those coaches to go like that. So management have to take the necessary steps in order to prevent violence and those ugly scenes that we once saw laphayana Durban. So yeah, guys, that is the situation. Simzwile no Middendorp. Three coaches that have spoken out. Simzwile Pitso akhuluma commenting on Vilakazi and Do and how he can make them stars. Simzwile, another coach that has spoken about Kaizer Chiefs' job is Benny McCarthy. Benny McCarthy saying that he is a Kosi through and through. And also Ulo Kuzan, another coach now coming out, Ernst Middendorp. Ernst Middendorp, yeah, I think the situation at Chiefs, Middendorp put an advantage because he knows that he's worked there before, twice before. However, his last scene, his last time at Kaizer Chiefs, wasebenza laphayana, didn't end well. Kaizer Chiefs were 13 points clear at one stage. Chiefs were cruising nicely. And then, yeah, then after that whole bio bubble, things just crashed. Kaizer Chiefs losing 1-0 to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Look at this. Tamaya.
Bricapova.
ABS. ABS fade.
Some pirates have created a fair number of chances and
Yeah, guys, that's Nimbonile Genanu Tawunda. I think he's a young man with potential. Drop your thoughts on comments. What did you make of that player? Akhumbula a certain Kama Piliat was a Kaizer Chiefs for a trial. Nae bam rejector, and only for him to go to Ajax. Ajax bamtata Kama Piliat. So we don't know whether this is the next Kama Piliat or what. But yeah, the boy, it looks like he's got potential, but yeah, Minangazi. And another issue, the coach should be the one doing the assessments. So yeah, Ben Yosef and Kaze, angazi ukuthi ngoba they should be gone. They refuse to resign, and what's the story there? The new coach should be the one doing his own assessments, because at the end of the day, he's the one who needs to be answering if results are not forthcoming. So yeah, Coach Omusha kumele aphendule. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. Remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.
Angakusho mayelana nepressure, ipressure nje ikhona wonke indawo. Whenever more noma ngithu udlala ibhola udlala kuphi noma kanjani, because hlezi kunama expectations ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi ulindele ukuthi wenze izinto ezithize. So ipressure vele ama team neKaizer Chiefs ngeke kuze kufane. Enye into futhi ngoba ama king team esabhekene nayo leyo kuna ama trophy. So sasebenza ngokuthi sibhekelele ukuthi-ke sizokwazi kanjani ukuthi sithole ukuthi siwine ama-trophy nathi because iyona pressure esinayo njengamanje ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sithole i-trophy sithole ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi izinto zithi ukwehla kancane.
And le pressure inzima kangakanani?
Lento le ifana nomuntu ofuna ukuphumelela empilweni. So i-pressure yohlezi ikhona ngaso sonke isikhathi. So nakithi inkulu but ayikho inkulu kangako because ngeke sizifakele i-pressure because once asifakela kakhulu i-pressure sigcina singasakwazi ukusebenza ngokuzikhandla. So into ebalulekile ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphinde sikwazi ukufocus ekutheni sireach eyo goal.